In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change all layers to one color in AutoCAD. Whether you're tidying up a complex drawing or preparing your work for printing, this technique can save you a great deal of time and effort. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access the Layer Properties Manager. To do this quickly, you can type Layer or simply LA into the command line and press Enter. This is a powerful tool that helps you manage and organize the layers within your drawing. It opens up a separate window that displays all of your current layers, each with its respective properties. If you have a lot of layers, this can be a bit overwhelming, but don't worry, we'll get through it smoothly. Now that we have the Layer Properties Manager open, the next step is to select all the layers you'd like to change. If you want to alter the color of every layer in your project, simply press Ctrl+A. This keyboard shortcut is a handy way of selecting all layers at once without having to click each one individually. If you prefer to change the color of only certain layers, you can also click and drag to make your selection. Just hold down the mouse button while dragging across the layers you want to include. Once you have all the desired layers selected, it's time to modify their color. You'll notice small color squares next to each layer name. Click on one of these color squares. Doing so will bring up a color palette, letting you choose from a range of different options. Select the color that best suits your needs. Keep in mind that choosing a consistent color can help with clarity, especially if you're planning to share your drawings with colleagues or clients. After selecting your new color, just click OK. This will apply your chosen color across all the layers you've selected. By following these simple steps, you've efficiently unified your layer colors, streamlining the appearance of your drawing. This can be particularly helpful for visual consistency, which is essential in professional and collaborative environments. And there you have it. You've now changed all the layers to a single color in AutoCAD. With this newfound skill, you should find it easier than ever to keep your drawings organized and visually coherent. Remember, the key to learning any software is practice, so keep experimenting with different features in AutoCAD to enhance your workflow even further. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.